Hello there, I am Dale.
I'm Jenna.
And
this is Chloe.
that's Chloe. Welcome to our little adventure. Oh, she needs sunglasses too.
I know, it's
So bright. So bright. We just decided to bring her out. She went to the vet today and take her out, a little Chloe adventure, walk around.
Haven't had her out in a while.
Yep.
Away from the neighborhood.
So we just looked for a park. We found this park down in, it's called Summerport Park. It's sort of in the Horizon West area.
Yeah.
There's like a tiny little plaza here.
Yep.
Right here there's Marco's Pizza. There's Kelly's Homemade Ice Cream. And then what we really need right now is, which there's no sign, but this building right here is Foxtail Coffee.
That's what I'm doing.
So we gonna get us some coffee and walk around the park. So
have some fun with Chloe today.
Yep. Welcome on our little afternoon walk around adventure.
Yeah.
Here we go, the Foxtail Coffee. Here is menu, espressos, order, a fresh brew. Jenna, I think, is gonna go with her standard latte. And over here they got some cold brews, teas and more. Let me take a look and see what I come up with. Also here, oh yeah, some good snacks. Foxtail, well that makes a whole lot of sense. I like it. Blueberry muffin looks fantastic. Chocolate croissant, cinnamon donut. I think we might try this chocolate chip cookie. It's different than the other ones we usually get at Starbucks. But they do have gluten-free stuff also. We also have some of their own specialty drinks. Espresso tonic. Well, went ahead and got our coffees, and man, she was fantastic inside. She gave me a bunch of samples, and yeah, this looks like, Jenna called it grass because it's matcha.
I'm not a fan of matcha.
I've never had matcha.
People like it, but I'm not a fan.
Never, and the way she made it the first time around, it was good. Had a nice little, she gave me a little sample. I tried it. And then she gave me another sample because I said, is it caffeinated? She's like, yeah, it is. I was like, is it enough caffeinated? She said, well, she can try to make it with an espresso, a little coffee in it. So she gave me a sample with coffee. I was like, sure, let's do that. So that I got one, a matcha latte with extra espresso. But according to Jenna, she said it already has a ton of a lot of caffeine.
I think.
That's what she tells me.
Yeah.
So I may be running laps around this lake.
I tried it.
And I got with cinnamon and vanilla. And actually now that it's mixed, I probably would have been better without the espresso in it.
It still tastes like grass. I tried it because I was like, oh, maybe these are better. No, not better. But I got a nice latte.
Her standard.
1 pump.
Oh, actually, butterscotch. That's right.
Maybe 2 would have been great, but I also got oat milk because they don't have 50% milk. So yeah, it's good.
Yes.
I think 1 more pump would have been better. Though.
1 more pump?
Yeah, because it's not super sweet, which I don't like. But.
Mm-hmm. Good deal. And then we got a cookie.
Oh, yeah.
It's a cookie.
Chocolate chip. Oh, Chloe.
Chloe's over here relaxing,
She was on my lap for a little bit.
being calm.
We'll let her walk around.
Mm-hmm.
But she likes in here. She's just getting all the sniffs.
We gotta try our cookie.
Yeah, let's do it.
How's your coffee?
Mm-hmm. Very good. I think 1 more pump of butterscotch would have been perfect, but still good.
And then also, inside there they had this little living in Horizon West. Free to take. Oh, little guide.
I've been to Horizon West before. It's a nice little area.
Oh yeah, you have. That's
Okay,
where
just
like
kidding. I've been
we
here.
did the boba tea. That's
kidding.
Horizon West.
Totally been here.
This is just a different part of it. It's
Okay.
more of the in the neighborhood areas.
Okay.
Now we're just flipping through here, see what we see. Just a nice little guide. Go. Go ahead and try this cookie. Very good.
Yeah. Not
It's
the best one I've had, but it's
maybe
good.
a little bit moist in the middle there. Standard chocolate chip cookie.
Nice and soft.
Mm-hmm. Good amount of chocolate chips.
Mm-hmm.
That's always key. Yeah. Perfect for a little snack.
I like it.
Here we found the fronts of the stores. Foxtail, win-win. And Kelly's Ice Cream. I'm gonna check to see if they have any dairy-free stuff. Oh, it's cool in here. It's very cool.
How's it going, sir?
Good, how are you?
Good.
And you got shakes, toppings, cones, and all their ice cream. They do have dairy-free options. Look at all this. Cookie butter swirl. Salted caramel cookies and cream. And then down here they had the non-dairy coffee Oreo sorbet. And then they also had non-dairy cookies and cream. And if you wanted to, for a birthday party or any type of celebration, they have their pre-made cakes in here also. Wow. Ice cream cakes. You can get your own little to-go ice cream also. Little Kelly's. Get you a candle. It's really cool in here. So he's gotta go potty. Here's a little. Oh, she's going quick. Little pond over here. Oh yeah, she did get. She was at the vet today. She got her fluids today. There's a little pond over here. And bummer, we saw the gator over on the other side a little bit ago. Now he's in the water somewhere. Darn it! I was gonna go over there and get you a video of the gator. Hopefully he comes out, or else we can see him in the water. Oh, I do see him. I see him. He's over there on the other side. Right there. Whoops. We'll go over there. There he's swimming.
Chloe and I, just a chillin'. Oh, and Dale's here too.
Oh yeah. You gonna let me in this thing?
Of course I am.
Okay.
Just kidding.
She's loving the
She
stroller.
is loving this. Loving all the sniffs, the smells.
New sniffs.
Yeah. Let her walk around a little bit. Sound good? Yeah.
She's enjoying all the new sniffs.
She loves her walks.
Yeah, she does. Loves her walks. I think the gator spotted her. He went underneath. Let me go. He's not that big of a guy. He went underneath the water. I'll go see if I can find him. Let's see. He was just over here a little bit ago. Oh, all the little minnows. Where'd you go, buddy? Buddy, old pal. Waiting for bubbles that aren't the gnats and everything else. He was right over here. He just went under. He's got to come up a little bit. There he is. Popped his head up. Hey, gator, gator, gator. It's a little guy. He was laying out on the bank a little bit ago. Maybe we'll catch him if he comes back out again.
Pushing the Chloe. She's so cute. In her little stroller. Oh, alligator's gone.
Yeah, we're back under.
Look at her little face. Chloe vision.
Yeah, Chloe vision.
There's she walking again. Thought the back side of the lake, we were right over there on the other side, or what pond, whatever this is, retention pond. Thought it would be a little less busy. Not that it was super busy over there, but some kids on scooters and things. Good girl. Catch up to daddy. Good girl.
So this is the park, Summerport Park. And I think it's mainly just a park for this neighborhood. It's nothing huge. Well, we found it. We saw it had a coffee spot next to it. One little lap around it. And actually, come over here. You look from the bird's eye view. The stones are outline of a Mickey head. I'll show you once we get closer. Here it is. You can the head and the 2 ears. I'm zoomed all the way out. 0.5 flick. Very cool. And also, it's a dog park over here. There's a large dog area. And over here is the small dog area.
30 pounds and under. 6 pounds work?
Chloe, that's your side. Okay, so update on the matcha espresso. That'll probably be the last time I do that one. You gotta do it for the vlog. You gotta try something new for the vlog. Yeah. And I usually have a pretty strong stomach, but I can feel it's working.
It's hurting.
It's got caffeine, especially with my double shot.
Oh my god.
Well, not double shot, but because the matcha already has caffeine. Now I just add a little bit extra espresso. Ooh-wee.
All right, we'll stay here. You go do some laps.
I'm ready to run.
Bye.
Bye.
Look at her being adorable. Loving it. Loving it, aren't you, baby? Are you loving it? Look at that face. Oh my goodness.
All right, so not exactly sure what this is. From a distance, I thought it might be horseshoes, but more than likely, the kids nowadays, they're not throwing horseshoes around the game, so not too sure. Just sandbags in here. Jenna thought maybe it was raised gardens for the school, but no, it doesn't look like that either. And it's locked. I mean, the fence is 3 feet tall, so it's not really keeping anybody out, but there's nothing to do in there as of yet. And here's the little plaza area. Foxtail coffee right over there. And we're just cruising around. Well, this is a first that I've seen this. It's like a community exercise things.
You gonna do some push-ups?
Hip lift and thigh squeeze exercises. Oh, on this board here, over here, some push-ups exercises. Interesting. What does this guy do? Wobble board exercises. Oh, look at this. Let's give it a go. See how, ooh, that thing is wobbly. Before I break something here. Ooh, it is wobbly. Whoa. Man, that'll work your core right there. That'll work your core. Yes, sir. Interesting. Ooh, interesting.
Building up the calf muscles.
That and my core.
Oh, okay. We need a wobble thing.
We need a wobble board. All right, so we made it back. So we made it back to Kelly's Ice Cream, and I think we're gonna share something.
Yeah, they have non-dairy.
Yep. As
Several options.
I showed you guys earlier. Now Jenna can see.
I'm excited.
They have the non-dairy.
Don't know what I want.
So we'll see. You go in and get you something, and then surprise me. I'll
Okay.
have a couple bites of yours. All right, Jenna got some yummies. What did you get?
I got double scoop because I
Oh,
couldn't
double.
decide. They had 3 different, I think, non-dairy, and then a sorbet.
Okay.
But I got cookies and cream and a coffee cookies and cream.
Ooh,
I tried both of them and I couldn't decide, so I got both.
I love that idea.
And we're sharing, so.
Yes, we are. Chloe's like,
Just chilling.
can I have at this, mommy?
She loves being out and about with us.
Yeah, she does. So that's the cookies and cream?
I think that was my favorite.
Okay. Is it good with the oat milk?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Very good. All right, the coffee is down in the bottom. See what Dale thinks.
See if it's like my matcha.
Oh no, definitely not. It's good. I got that one for Dale. I liked it, but I like the Oreo one better.
Great idea.
Yeah.
That is good. It's better than my matcha.
100%. Good girl. Good stuff, huh? He said in the summer we have to come back
Okay.
because they have a cookie butter one. He said it's his favorite out of all of them. All their flavors they have.
I thought I saw cookie.
Well, non-dairy.
Non-dairy.
It would be a non-dairy one. So
Okay.
I'm like, yes, please, I'll come back.
Do it.
Non-dairy for the win. For me, anyway. Chloe, she's closing her eyes. You're just loving it out here, aren't you, baby?
Oh, she is loving it.
She's just loving it.
Yeah, she's enjoying this fresh air.
And the ice cream's good, too.
It is.
Very good.
Coffee I can improve on next time. Started off good, then not so good.
Yeah, you're going to have to get a different one next time. Regular coffee.
But now we know.
I could have told you.
Did it for the vlog.
Did it for the vlog. All right, so I had to tell you guys too, because you know you're at a good ice cream place when you walk in, and you know what music they're playing?
Disney.
Happily Ever After.
Oh wow! Well,
I was like
that's good.
singing along, so I'm waiting in line.
That's awesome.
Chloe's getting some water. It's water break time. Is it water break time? Good girl. Good girl. We're back home. Chloe had a good time, didn't you, baby? Yeah, we all had a good time, didn't we? Was it fun? Yeah. No, you give everybody kisses? Oh, that's so nice. Good girl. Good girl. Aw, we love you.
Well, that was fun.
It was fun.
Little adventure.
Yeah,
Chloe
she
was
loved
worn out.
it. Yeah, she's tired.
Yeah, she is. And actually, I came home. I got rid of that matcha. Update on the matcha.
He didn't finish it.
It went to the trash can
Yeah.
before I left there. And after I got home, I replaced it with some 7-Up.
Didn't hurt his, or it did hurt your tummy. It
Yeah.
didn't do good on his tummy.
Yeah. Which I think the other thing, it didn't really help because I just got off a 36-hour fast this morning. So
There you
didn't
go.
have a lot of food in my stomach either. So that probably wasn't the best thing to load up on.
Nope.
But we had fun. It was cool to check out that little park area over
Yeah,
there.
it's a beautiful area.
Yeah.
The neighborhood was really
Yep.
cool.
The bugs are out.
You getting bit?
The bugs are out. The sun's bright.
Yeah, we're back home. We're
yep.
gonna feed Chloe some dinner. Get us some dinner, but hope you guys enjoyed the adventure.
Yes. Hope you enjoyed it. So,
And we'll see you in the next one.
yeah. Nobody knows,
Chloe.
including us.
Okay, I'll see you soon, guys. Thanks for watching the adventure.
All right. The adventure's out there.
Let's go find it. Well, she decided she wanted to go on a walk in the neighborhood as well. So I wasn't as tired as we thought. Good girl, Chloe. She loves her walks.